Hey y'all, welcome to Scotty D Scrapped. It's Monday night, going on January 18th. I'm doing this with the phone. The GoPro was in the shop. And I did a little cruise, or not a little cruise, I went to the grocery store and I futon bed. So, of course, I snagged it. Let's get out there, let's get some scrap. Leave a like, dislike, thumbs up, thumbs down, which is a like and dislike. Anyway, leave a comment, good or bad, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen in 62 genders of this fabulous world. Let's go out and make some scrap-tastic fun. So let's hit her. So I figured without the GoPro, I find all kinds of stuff. Nice fridge, aluminum door, no glass. It's a Von Wee. And, you know, we got a nice assortment of stuff here. I don't like that flash on. Lights, good cord, just all kinds of stuff. Oh, finger, microwave, exercise thing, nice speaker, a JBL. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to unload this. I seen a few other things, so I'm going to unload and hopefully fill back up. Let's get at it. I forgot to show you copper and brass. Scrapper's gold. It's a bonus. It was just playing music, but it shut off because I recorded. That's insane. So this is the hoard. I had a nice JBL subwoofer and soundbar. When I unloaded and went to get this fridge, big old double door fridge. So I unloaded everything, this stuff, and some of this stuff, this chair. What the heck was that? Anyway, somebody took it. Somebody came down here and took it. Somebody stole my junk. Anyway, alright, I'm going to get rid of this, and then get rid of that. They didn't take the copper. They didn't take anything else but the two speakers. Anyway, I'll let you know what this weighs and pays. So I'm coming up to this scrap yard now. I'm gonna film this way of me unloading it. It'll be a crappy view for a minute, but something different, I guess. Yeah, I can't believe somebody took that the speaker. I found another speaker. It's a JBL boombox Bluetooth speaker. Didn't have a cord, but I plugged it in. Works like a charm. Online it says it's worth $499.95. I tell you, the things people throw away is insane. Funky. That's one heavy son of a gun. So get up, pop it on the forks, or you want me to kick it over here? Tip it sideways?
Like this way. Perfectly. You need a hand?
No, I don't think so.
You sure? Okay, 1 second.
Oh yeah.
You need a hand.
She's heavy, man. You see, look right here. Look here, Paul, for a second. Real quick. This is all full of shit,
Yeah.
and that's probably why it broke. So much dust in it. Well, that was fun. 263 pounds, 26 bucks. The price drop sucks. All right, I'm gonna go load some more crap. So here's load number 2. A little fridge, a couple microwaves, chair. I probably could have fit more in, but I'm gonna have to make a few trips anyways. My landlord wants to check this out, maybe use it for parts. I don't know. Anyway, I'll let you know what this one weighs and pays. So that one weighed 393 pounds. It was 44 and change. So I got a couple more anyway. Let's get her in there.